Made of durable polyester to hold up to outdoor weather conditions. Attaches to the center of a tennis net to maintain a consistent height. White finish lines up with court markings for correct placement. Includes hardware for easy installation at your park or school. Top reviews from the United States. This makes it very easy to install and remove the tennis strap if you. The Edwards center strap has 2 grommets at the bottom of the 2 cloth legs that go on each side of the net. This makes it very easy to install and remove the tennis strap if you need to move it from court to court. The picture with the Amazon Prime qualified Edwards tennis strap shows a different kind of strap, but you will receive the strap with grommets at the bottom. The hardware is all metal and seems durable. This seems to be a very good center strap.